Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work in that like a cable stitch again. It's really nice and easy to make. For this pattern we need to have multiple of 3. What we have to do, we are going to start by pull 3, knit 3. Start one here, pull 3, knit 3 until the end of the row. Next row I'm going to just make one more row by knit 3, pull 3, and then the pattern is start. Maybe you are going to make 2 more rows, it's up to you, but I'm going to start here. I pull 3. When it comes in this 3 knit, I'm going to take the first one and then knit the second and third one. Then I'm going to take the first one again and pull it all over these 2 like that. Let's do it one more time. We are going to take the first one like a slip stitch, don't knit the second one and third one, then take again the first one and try to take it over the other 2. Then we knit the separation. For next row, what we have to do, we are going to knit 3. When it comes in these 2, we pull the first one, then yarn over and pull the next one. When it comes in these 2, we pull the first one, yarn over and pull the second. So it means again we have 3 stitches. Next row we pull 3. When it comes in these 3, just we are going to knit and make sure you are going to knit that stitch because we are going to have a hole here. So it means we are going to knit 1. When it comes to that stitch, just we are going to knit it normal and then the other one. As you can see here, I have a hole. Then we are going to do for the next row as normal knitting. It means we are going to knit 3, pull 3, knit 3 and pull 3. This is the back side and the front side should look like that. What we have to do here, we are going to repeat the pattern like that. We are going to take the first one, knit the other 2, Then we take the first one like that. Let's do it one more time. Take that one as a slip stitch. As you can see, you are going to have the pattern like that. If you repeat these 1 to 4 rows, you are going to have the cable yarn over this, and this is the mark cable. When you repeat the pattern after few rows, you are going to have this. This is really stretchable. This is the back side and front side. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and have a good day.